professor, physician, epidemiologist. I am Dr. Sri Banerjee. Enough is enough. Gun violence must end today. Hi, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, and in this video, I'll be going over some geospatial patterns that demonstrate and really show why gun violence needs to be addressed through policy in a very urgent manner. So let me get started here. Um, this is a very difficult video to be recording because of the fact that this is in the wake of a horrific tragedy um, with a mass shooting that took place which claimed the lives of 14 children. And so this has really led to um, a lot of devastation and a state of panic for a lot of people. And so what I did is I created a map to kind of zoom in and take a look at what is going on at the community level. So let me zoom in. So if we go in and take a look at Duval County. And so this was the county where the tragedy occurred. And if we take a look and see, we'll quickly see that the color that is designated for this is kind of a green. If we look at the legend and what this represents, you can quickly see that even though so this color represents that in 2021, according to county health rankings, even though there was a high level of residential segregation, black versus white residential segregation in Uvalde County, the firearm fatalities were lower, but the segregation was there. So the idea here in this map is that the more social strife there is from divisiveness, the more segregation that you have in neighborhoods, the more likelihood that there is firearm fatalities. And this is reflected through tragedies like these mass shootings. So this was not the case in Uvalde County until what we saw today. So now this dark green would actually be a lighter green in 2022. So I would expect that at the end of 2022, this would have turned into a light green. So this map, so this has been not only done for Uvalde County. What I went ahead and did is I looked at all the counties, or all the counties at least, for which there was data, and looked at how many places there was this areas of concern. And for me, areas of concern are areas of light green. These are immediate areas of concern. And when you looked, you actually found that there were so many places that there was segregation and this creation of strife that was associated with firearm fatalities. So look, in my book, there's only one way that we can try to come together and solve this problem. And that is, we need stricter gun control laws. We need to ban assault rifles. We need to be able to, across all states, uniformly be able to enact legislation and policies so that we protect the generation and the next generation and today's youth. Thank you for listening.